Morning, children. Welcome back, and I hope that you have completed your previous story and its question answers, which I have sent in the form of PDF. Okay, now today we are going to take from the same fifth chapter poem. Okay, and poem name is what? Where do all the teachers go? Now, previous story was about the school, and in school, who is there? Students and teachers. And here, one poet he is asking, where do all the teachers go? Where they go? I am not getting the answer. Like that question he is asking to himself. Then, do you want to understand this poem, students? It is very easy, and you will get the answers of this story very easily. Okay, now we will start the poem. Now poem, see now what is, I will explain the meaning, and some meanings I have given to you and some meanings you are going to find out. Okay, after reading this poem also write down in the notebook. Where do all the teachers go? For a little child, a teacher is special. For the every children, for every students, teachers are always special. Yeah, I am also very feeling special for you. I am also feeling my special students are there, and you students also feel that our special teachers are there. Yeah, it is difficult a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. And when teacher is there, that time we don't think that how our teachers behave, how they work, where they go, how ordinary common people are doing the same things our teachers are doing or not. Then many questions, but they are not asking, because in school we talk only about the study, we are not talking about the home and what we do. Yeah, then here this child is having the question, after school, when school finish, then where teacher go? Not in the school timing. When school overs at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, after that timing, where teachers are going? This is the question of the poet. Then let's see, where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Which 4 o'clock? Not early morning. It is evening time. Okay, when school overs, where teachers are going? Where they go by taking their vehicles? Where they go? I am not getting the answer as a student. Do they live in houses? Really they are having the houses? Which kind of houses they have? Small or big? Like that question student asks. And do they wash their socks? Socks means all clothes. Children means generally you know that means girls, otherwise women, they are washing the clothes, but really men also, man teachers also and woman teachers, everybody is washing the clothes when they go at home. They are having their houses, in their house they are having the clothes. Are they washing the clothes? These questions students are having. Is it? Do they wear pajamas? At home your father is wearing the pajama. Yeah, like the teachers are also wearing the pajama. And do they watch TV? They are watching the TV. How students are watching the serials, cartoons, games, like the teachers are also watching the TV. And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Pick noses means scratch dirt from their noses, remove the dust, dirty things from the noses. How we do? Like the teachers also do. They remove the dirty things from their noses by using their hands, by using their fingers. Like that do? No. Okay. Now this answer that student is not having. Do they live with other people? How they moms and dad? Are they living? Teachers are living with their mother, father, with grandmother, grandfather, with whom they are living. And were they ever children, and were they ever bad? Okay. And in before, in the childhood, they were children, they were small, and they have done any mistake in the childhood, they have done or not? Otherwise they are directly, they are older, they are elder, and they are the teacher directly. Like that, is it there? Otherwise they were child also in previously. Did they ever never spell right? Somewhere in the class they have written the wrong spellings. Okay, did they ever make mistakes? They have done any mistakes in the school like we are doing? Teachers are doing the mistake when they were the students. Were they punished in the corner? Their teachers have given them punishment. Is it happened with them? They are punishing to us, but they got the punishment. Like that happened? If they pinch the chocolate flakes, okay, they have taken they have eaten the chocolates in the class, otherwise they have punished, means trouble to someone, like that time they have got the punishment from their own teacher, because now they give us punishment, but they got punishment from some teachers, from their teachers. Don't know. Questions. Did they ever lose their hymn books? Hymn means books means which is related to the God. Yeah, this kind of books they lost it. We lost the English book, English workbook, notebooks. Like that, teachers also lost their books. Did they ever leave their greens, vegetables, their tiffins at home? Without tiffin, they came in the school. Like that happened in their childhood when they were students. Did they scribble on the desktop? Students are having the habit to write on the desk, on the benches. Like that our teacher also wrote. They scribble on the benches. They write something mischievous things on that word. Their names or there any design. Something they write on the desk, on the table of the school. Have they done this? This question answer who is not getting? One child, one student who is going in the school and is asking question about his teacher to himself. Then did they wear old dirty jeans? Sometime when our mother is not washing the jeans, by that jeans only we go into the school. By that uniform only we go into the school. Like that our teachers are also wearing the dirty jeans. Okay. I will follow one back home today. What I will do when school will over, that time behind of teacher I will go. I will follow them and backside of them I will go slowly. I will find out what they do and I will get the all answers. They have house or not, they wash their clothes or not, with whom they are living, with father, mother, what actually they do, they have done the mistakes or not in their childhood. That all questions answer I will get it by going behind of them at their home. Okay, then I will put it in a poem. Then afterward I will write a new poem again. All answers I will give to you children, that they can read to you and that all teachers can read to you, because now this poem who read for you? Teacher read for you. When next poem also will be written by this poet, that poem also who is going to read for you? Means this answer who is going to give you? Teacher only. That's why this poet is saying that I will get the answer by following the teacher, and after getting answer one new poem I will write. That poem I will give to your teacher and that poem your teacher will read for you. She will explain to you. He will explain to you. And who is the poet? Peter Dixon. Okay, this is the poet of this poem. Now see the question answer. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? The poet wanted to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock because this is time when school got over. Next question. What are the things normal people do that the poet talk about? Normal people, what they do? They live in house, wash socks, wear pajamas, watch TV, picking their noses, living with their parents, not spelling right, being bad, making mistakes, getting punished, losing books, scribbling on desktop, wearing old dirty jeans. Okay, these are all points. What does he imagine about? Where teachers live? In houses. What they do at home? Wash their socks, wear pajamas, pick their noses and watch TV. The people with whom they live with other people, and if they also had mothers and fathers. Their activities when they were children in the school, they were also bad, made mistakes, never spelled right, and were punished in the corner for pinching the chocolate flakes. They ever lost their hymn books, scribble on the desktops, or wore old dirty jeans. Why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? The poet wondered if teachers also do things that other people do because he had seen them as superhumans. They are strict, did not make any mistake, and punish those who did. How does the poet plan to find out? What will he do once he finds out? The poet plans to follow one of the teachers on the way back home that day to find out what they did. Once he succeed in doing then he would compose it into a poem which then those teachers would read, etc. their student. Okay. Then now next question. What do you think these phrases from the poem meaning? Punish in the corner, getting punishment of standing in the corner of the classroom. Leave their greens, leaving the playground after the bell strikes for the next class to begin. Okay. Greens means grounds. Okay. Playgrounds. Like this poem is over. Now you can write down these all question answers in the notebook. Write down poem as well as these all question answers. Write down in the notebook. Complete it and send me for the checking. Thank you so much students and take care.